Hello, my name is Jeff Eastman. The 2-hour course I will be teaching is entitled A Crash Course in British Pantomime, an Entertaining Spectacular. Pantomimes, normally referred to simply as pantos, are very energetic, colorful, and highly entertaining performances held during the holiday season in Britain. Please don't be confused by the term pantomime. Panto is definitely the opposite of mime. A panto storyline is usually based upon a well-known fairy tale, and performances include singing, dancing, slapstick comedy, good and evil characters, and, most importantly, lots of interaction between the audience and the actors on stage. The visuals often appeal to younger audience members, while the dialogue, often based around current events, appeals more to adults. The purpose of this introductory panto course is to familiarize you with this form of entertainment, help you learn about its historical background, and help you learn what your role would be as an audience member if you take part in our ALL excursion to see the Sleeping Beauty Panto on Saturday, December 12th. Assisting me with this presentation will be Joe Sears, who serves as the panto consultant at Vancouver's Metro Theatre, and Annie Peterson, our Academy for Lifelong Learning administrator, who many of you have likely talked with over the phone. Here now is a brief synopsis of what a typical panto entails.
We're diving into the colourful, chaotic, and uniquely British world of pantomime, where theatre, comedy, and tradition collide in spectacular fashion. Pantomime, or panto, is a form of family theatre that mixes fairy tales, slapstick comedy, music, dance, and audience participation. It's usually performed at Christmas time, turning classic stories like Cinderella, Aladdin, or Jack and the Beanstalk into hilarious, larger-than-life productions. But don't be fooled by the word mime, because pantomime isn't silent. It is loud, interactive, and very cheeky. There's audience participation with lines like, "He's behind you," and "Oh, no, he isn't." There's slapstick routines from custard pies to chaotic chases, and very topical humour with jokes and references that are updated every year.
I eagerly look forward to seeing many of you at the 2-hour ALL course entitled A Crash Course in British Pantomime. By attending this course, you'll definitely gain the knowledge necessary to fully and joyfully participate in the panto performance on December 12th. Thank you very much for listening.